Some people may still like to use ArcCam for CNC programming. However, if you use a new GPU, you may meet this issue on Windows 10 or 11. The 3D view doesn't work correctly. So when we draw vectors on it and create some relief, it doesn't display correctly. So this problem makes ArcCam not usable. Here's a simple way to solve this problem. Close all these dialogues, go to Edit, 3D Graphic Options. In the OpenGL drawing mode, select the complete OpenGL 1 support. Apply, and done. Buy genuine CAM software if you want a stable experience for your CNC business. That's all for this video. See you next time.